My name is Cynthia. I've been in this industry for over 5 years. I'm a new homes advisor, and today I'll be talking to you about the advantages of buying a new build home. Well, the main advantage is the fact that it's all brand new. And a lot of people love the fact that nobody's lived in it and it hasn't been used, so it'll be spotlessly clean. And all new builds come with white goods, so you don't have to worry about ordering and stressing over deliveries and how am I going to fit this? You can pretty much move in a set-up home and just enjoy the fun stuff like designing, and we've got lots of show homes on our site that you can get inspiration from. And as most of our show homes have been done by amazing interior designers, you can get lots of ideas on color schemes and how to utilize the space. A new build is like a blank canvas, so you can put your own touch to it and personalize it to how you like. Most new builds come with very neutral colors, so your kitchen cupboards, your bathrooms will be very neutral colors, so you can put your own personal touch of colors to it. Whereas an older property will have very exotic colors, and you can't, you'd have to spend money and time renovating that. Whereas a new build is you can just move straight in. You don't have to worry about renovating it or doing repairs, and instead you could enjoy most of your time spending time with your friends and family. New builds are very inexpensive to run, and they dramatically reduce your household carbon footprint. They are built to the latest building standards, so they're a lot more cost efficient than an older property. Also, new builds tend to be designed with energy performance in mind. So these include things like high efficiency heating system, double glazing, insulation, and all these contribute to reducing your monthly energy bill and also having a low impact on the environment. New build homes definitely give you a lot more security and of peace of mind, as we hold your hand through every step of the way, from the buying process to the exchange process to the completion process. Our customer care team are there to help you after you move in to make sure that you're comfortable and answer any questions and queries that you may have. New build homes also come with 10 years NHBC warranty, so that means that for the next 10 years you have structure warranty, so you can be very worry-free for several years to come. Security is definitely taken into account when buying a new build home. You have video entry systems and fob access into the development and fire safety. All of these are part of the latest building regulations to make you feel more safe at home. New builds can be a lot less stressful than buying a second-hand property, and this is because it's chain-free, and also your advisor can hold your hand through the whole process, and there is a lot less people involved in exchange of contracts, so you get your keys a lot quicker. So I've bought myself a new build home 4 years ago, and till this day I absolutely love it. And yes, I love the fact that it's all brand new, but another great advantage is the fact that I gained a brand new community. We have a residents group on WhatsApp and Facebook that we talk to, so you make lots of friends, and there's lots of amenities and features in the property that you can all enjoy as a community. We've had lots of customers who absolutely love their new builds, but one case in particular which I kind of admire is this lovely elderly couple that have bought with us, and they initially bought this flat as an investment, as they already have a 3-bedroom property down the road. But when they started coming into the property and doing the design stage, they've realized how easy and how comfortable a new build can be. And what they did was they ended up putting their house on the market and actually moving into the flat. And every time I see them, they just look so happy, and they say to me, "Cynthia, I'm so stress-free. I don't have to do the gardening or clean the windows. Everything is brand new and everything is clean." So hearing stories like that just make us all proud, and knowing that we've participated in their happiness of buying their new home. So there are many benefits of buying a new build home rather than a second-hand property.